guys, this looks like the coolest 3D NBA video game out there. But wait, it's 10 times better than that. This is actually the live Chicago Bulls versus Detroit Pistons game going on right now. As you can see, when they get the ball, the player's name appears over their head so you can tell who's actually working the court. Now, they have cameras set out all around, so every motion, every action, every movement is a live representation of what's actually happening on the court right now. And then when you see they make a basket, this really cool ring shows through the hoop. Guys, this is absolutely amazing. I've seen a few videos about this, and I wanted to check it out in person, and oh my gosh, this is way better than I was expecting it to be. I mean, this is the coolest thing I've ever seen. Now, if you look behind here, you can see the live stats. You can check out the box score, everything that's going on right now. And the coolest part, you can hit watch live, and the actual TV broadcast will show right behind it. Now, because this is being recorded, the Apple Vision Pro doesn't allow you to actually see the video feed for copyright infringement issues, but you can watch the game there, keep the statistics, and then watch the game on the tabletop. In fact, while the game is live, you can hit that sync tabletop button, and it'll actually sync the movements between the tabletop and the TV feed, so everything works identical. Now, what I really love about this is when you're watching a TV broadcast, it usually shows the guy with the ball and the moves that he's making. But when you're watching on the tabletop, you can see the defense collapse. You can watch what people are doing off the ball. And it's just an absolutely beautiful way to watch the game. And then when you come back down to the court here, you'll notice all the different decals and the details on the court are a representation of the exact court that's being used in the game at the time. So like different teams use a couple different courts throughout the season, and they actually mimic the exact one that they're playing on. Now, this is really cool. When you get a timeout, you can see how it's got the timeout written so that you know that that's what's going on. And you can make the court bigger. I mean, check this out. This is just the coolest thing. So this is everything that it is if you were there in person. Now, some of the other neat things you can do is you can hit multi-view and you can pick other games that are going on. So let's see here. We'll pick a few. We'll see which ones. Yeah. And we'll go here and we'll go here. Not actually sure how many we can put on here. Okay, so it looks like you can do a total of 5 games. So you can watch 5 games simultaneously, not including the tabletop game. So this is really, really pretty awesome. We'll pinch back into here so that we can see the tabletop better. So this is what the default looks like. They're more like mannequins. It's still not a true representation of what each player looks like, which would be absolutely amazing. But man, this is just absolutely crazy cool. You can see the shot clock on the glass behind the backboard. I mean, guys, this is fantastic. Now, the way that this is set up at the moment is called stylized, where they almost look like anime figures. You can see the Lakers players have purple hair. The Pelicans players have the neon green. You can see the time, the shot clock, the score, everything that you need as if you were watching a TV broadcast. Now, I know Apple works with Formula One, and they have it where you can see all the cars on the track as they're going around, plus the TV feeds, which is very similar to something like this. And I know that they have a 5-year deal worked out with Major League Soccer, and rumor has it they're looking at doing something like this with Major League Soccer too, which I think would be incredible. That would be really fun. I don't know a whole lot about soccer, but I do enjoy watching the World Cup, and I think it would be really cool to get a better idea for how plays are run and what everybody's like responsibilities are and how everything works off the ball. Now, if they were to do something like this with American football, whether college or the NFL, I would absolutely be in love. I would probably pay $50 a month just to watch an actual NFL or college football game on a court like this, being able to see all 11 players on each side of the ball. As a Browns fan, God, sometimes it's hard to tell, is my quarterback that terrible, or are my receivers just not getting open, or is it both? Because when you're watching the TV broadcast, they only focus on who's got the ball, sort of like they do with basketball. And this is way better than I was expecting. If you're a basketball fan, I'm telling you what, guys, you have to check this out. This is way cooler in person than what it's going to look like on the video. And I do want to mention, you do have to go with the premium NBA League Pass in order to get this. If you do the full season, I think it's $115, or you can do it monthly for $25. I know it's a bit expensive, but if you're a big basketball fan and you have the Apple Vision Pro, there is nothing else like this. I feel like I'm in like a Star Trek or a Star Wars episode when I'm watching a game like this. Now, I'd also like to mention, when you go into the NBA app and you click on Immersive, that's not what this tabletop is. They're actually going to be showing Lakers games in Apple Immersive Video, which is basically a 180-degree view. And I don't know much more about that. It's supposed to be ultra high resolution 3D video with spatial audio. So I'm guessing it's going to be like you're sitting there courtside watching the game. I'm really, really excited about watching something like this, but it's definitely not what the tabletop is. This is something that's completely different. And my understanding is it's only going to be available in the Los Angeles to Las Vegas markets. However, a few days afterwards, supposedly you're going to be able to watch the replay with it. And they're only doing a few of the Lakers games that you can see here. And I'm really, really excited to check these out. It's going to be 180-degree, high-def, 3D, courtside, watching the game live. Now, I'm not in the market, so I'm going to have to wait until it's available on replay. But I do want to do a video about it to let you guys know how cool that's going to be. But it's definitely different than the tabletop videos. And I really hope that you guys try it out. Let me know in the comments what you think about it. And if you could, I would love to have you guys like and subscribe. And with that, have an awesome day, and I'll see you in the next one.